Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet fun way to personalize your conversations on Messenger by adding nicknames to your chats. Whether you want to add a playful twist or just make it easier to spot your friends, setting a nickname is a great feature to explore. Let's walk through the updated steps on how to add a nickname to a chat on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your phone and navigate to the chat where you want to add a nickname. This can be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen where you'll see the name or profile icon of the person or group you're chatting with. Tap on that name or icon to open the chat settings. In the settings menu, you'll find several options. Look for the one labeled Nicknames and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. Messenger allows you to assign a unique nickname to each person in the chat, making your conversations more personal and fun. After tapping Nicknames, you'll see a list of participants in the chat. Select the friend or group member you want to give a nickname to. Once you choose the profile, a text box will appear where you can enter the new nickname. Feel free to get creative here. Whether it's a cute pet name, an inside joke, or just a shorter version of their name. When you've typed in the nickname you want, simply hit the set button to save it. Instantly, the nickname will replace the regular name in the chat, making it easier and more enjoyable to identify your friends. And don't worry, the nickname is only visible to you and the people in that chat, so it stays within your circle. That's all there is to it. Adding nicknames on Messenger is a quick way to add some personality to your messages and keep your chats organized. Give it a try today and watch your conversations come to life with a little extra flair. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.